Hello, today we'll be learning how to use the Notepad app. Select the app labeled Notes. Here we see the different folders from iCloud to iPhone. Select New Folder in the bottom right corner that says New Folder. Here we select on My iPhone. We name the folder Project Folder. Now we got into the folder and start a new note. Here I have typed Hi. We can add a checklist by tapping on the circle with a mark in it. When finished with the item, you can tap next to it to symbolize that. Tap on the circle with a plus sign in it to add documents, photos, videos, and you can sketch. With this function, you can draw using different types of writing materials and change the size. You can delete a note by selecting the edit in the upper right-hand corner and then selecting the note you wish to delete.